Fáilte go dtí ceacht nua. Welcome to a new lesson this week. And in this lesson, we're going to look at how to ask someone, how do you feel as Gaeilge in Irish? We're going to look at 3 different ways and 3 different dialects with 3 different verbs. Firstly, if you are an Irish mammy or daddy that would like to be able to speak Irish confidently and fluently at home and learn in a really quick and easy way from your phone or laptop, then our Gaeilge guides for parents are absolutely for you. There's nothing else like them. Our Irish mammies and daddies say that they're so easy to use. The lessons are really, really short, and it teaches you real practical Irish that you can use at home with the kids that you cannot learn in other Irish classes. Those are available right now in the description. There's a 6-week easy Gaeilge guide, a mini one, and there's also a complete Gaeilge guide to speaking Irish at home. You can check those out in the description and see the differences between them and choose which guide that you think will be for you. Achanish, on we go, arrive into this lesson. How do you feel as Gaeilge? The first one we're going to look at using cunnis, which is how in the Munster dialect. It's also how in the standard Irish that you will learn at school if you don't learn Munster Connacht or Ulster specific Irish. And this verb to feel is bra. So we're using the verb bra to feel in this one. So how do you feel is cunnis a vraten tu. Cunnis a vraten tu. Cunnis a vraten tu. How do you feel? Now please do type this into obair.ie and choose the dialect of your choice, because you can hear this pronounced by a Munster native speaker. Sgé Cianella, in this next one, we're going to look at using the verb arig, which is another verb to feel. Arig is specifically and particularly used in Connacht along with cén chuí. Cén chuí is how in the Connacht dialect. So cén chuí a narian tu is how do you feel? Cén chuí a narian tu. Cén chuí a narian tu. Cén chuí a narian tu, how do you feel? And notice we have an N dash here in this present tense after cén chuí. Another way is using the verb muhig to feel. Muhig. Cudé is used in Ulster for how. Cudé. So cudé mar a wahian tu. Cudé mar wahian tu. Cudé mar a wahian tu. Now again, if you're interested in the Ulster dialect, please do type this into obair.ie and you'll be able to choose the Ulster dialect and hear it spoken by a native speaker. So sinnig go ceacht, that's it for this lesson. Tá sé chomh-héasca sin. It is that easy and that quick. If you would like these mini lessons every single week, make sure you subscribe to the newsletter. You can do so down below if you are watching this later. Thank you so much. Agus feicime an teachtain se hugan hu. See you next week.